All right. Not really looking forward to it, but let's get this 6.2 liter LS3 out of here. I'm pretty sure what it is the input shaft on the transmission was a little crusty. I probably should have cleaned it up with a scratch brake pad before putting it together. So I'm sure that's probably what the problem is. So I'm gonna have to take the engine and trans out and check it out on the ground, and we'll have to go from there. But yeah, we'll come back here in a couple days and get going on it. Are you excited, Jason?
Very excited. The bolts should come loose.
Well, she's out. Wasn't too terrible. Got stuck on the mount on the starter hole right there. But I guess we should probably rip off the trans. Hopefully we find something that's just glaringly obvious. And yeah, let's get going on that. Well, yeah, something's definitely stuck. I can't get it by myself, so I'm gonna have to call in some reinforcements. Hopefully someone's out and about right now. Reinforcements are here.
Some more floor tracks.
Yeah, sounds good, Josh. Well, I think I was right. The pilot bearing pinned up against the input shaft here. So what was happening is when you'd go to release the clutch, obviously this was released, but because this was pushed up tight against this, it was still spinning with the engine. So I mean, yeah, that I can kind of turn it right now. So yeah, we're gonna pull that off and yeah, go from there. Well, Josh, did we get it?
Well, we got it. We just have some cleanup work to do. 'Cause that guy. Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm glad to know that I had the right idea. I'm pretty sure when I put the pilot bearing in, I didn't have it set in the crank enough. So when we put it in, it just jammed in. Plus I should have cleaned the snout of the transmission. It had some like rust on it. So now we're gonna emery cloth it, and yeah, I think I have another pilot bearing here somewhere. So I might look for that, and if that all goes well, I might be able to have this thing running tomorrow. But let's not count our chickens, I guess. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Hey, so yeah, it's been a couple days. We have some shims. So I don't know which one I'm gonna put in first, but I'm gonna put one of these shims in, hook up the clutch line, and we're gonna bleed it out on the ground because it is long enough. So then we can test it without having to put it back in and out. And if this isn't it, I don't really know where to go from here. So let's do this and go. Hopefully it works. Yeah, I'm just gonna put you guys in time lapse. Well, I've got my buddy Josh here. He came over to give me a hand. I didn't film it, but we've probably had this in and out, what? How many times do you think?
3.
3? Just putting a different combination of shims on it. And we're at the point where we have all 3 of the shims on it right now. The pedal feels significantly better, but it's still not releasing. So I need to do some research and see how many shims are too many shims. I think the issue we might be having is the master cylinder not moving enough fluid, but it's hard to really know. So that's what I'm gonna do now is do a little bit of research and hopefully figure this out and get this thing driving. But yeah, this is probably all gonna be in the same video. It's just gonna be a little disjointed because there's gonna be 3 days of shipping now at this point. But yeah, I'll catch back up with you. So it's like 2 weeks since the last time I filmed. There was a lot of low morale nights, but Jason and I were here. We've had this transmission probably in and out our 6 times tonight and ran out of stuff. And you know, we decided to actually take a look at something else. Something's going on. And I don't know how well you'll be able to see it. The bolts are like bolted down onto the clutch disc. Yeah, I'm not quite sure why that is, but we're going to figure something out, and that's probably going to fix our problem. Well, everything's put back together. We tested the clutch disengagement and it's working currently. So we're gonna put the car on the ground, and if it starts and goes into gear, we probably are gonna go for a short test drive. So it's nighttime. I'm not going to go too terribly far, but that's probably where I'm going to end this video. So wish us luck, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.